Hi everyone, we've got another clip from a viewer today to analyse, and this is quite an extreme situation again, to be honest. It's a motorbike on the approach to a roundabout, and honestly you wouldn't expect this to happen.
I'm alright, I'm alright.
Would you have expected that to happen? Now, has that ever happened to you while you've been on a roundabout? Honestly, in 25 plus years of driving, I've never seen that actually happen once. So it's really, really extreme. But honestly, it does happen. There's many clips on the internet of cars going the wrong way round the roundabout. Now, how that woman got to go the wrong way round the roundabout, who knows? But there's a few extra little things that I'd like to try and point out.
So weather conditions look good and visibility is excellent. And the traffic also looks reasonably light. That includes the roundabout. I've paused the clip here because this is the first opportunity from the video that you can see the offending car. So the only thing we can deduce from that is that the motorcyclist didn't see the car either. I don't think anyone would ride out in front of an oncoming car like that though. So let's see whether we can work out how and where the motorcyclist was doing his observations. So he looks quite early to the right, then back ahead, then back to the right again, sees his gap, looks ahead, and then he's on his way.
I'd like to say a big thanks again to everyone who has sent clips in, and please continue to do so by the normal methods. What it allows me to do is show a bigger, wider variety of clips where me on my own I couldn't hope to collect, or probably not hope to collect, such a wide variety of clips just in my daily drive. So a massive thanks.
There's still a couple of little things I'd like to point out. First of all, well done to the biker for using a head cam. And where it's positioned at the side of his visor tells us it's pretty much at eye level. And this is the next bit I'd like to have a look at. But before we go any further, just have a quick think about the motorcyclist's position. Could that have been any better? So combining this slight positioning mistake with actually how far ahead and over the car to the left the motorcyclist can see was a big factor in the accident. But let's be perfectly clear about this. This lady is lethal. As far as I'm concerned, she needs to be banned and taken off the road. Thankfully, the motorcyclist wasn't seriously injured. Is there anything else that you think should be added to this analysis? As always, please get involved in the comments.
So what can we really learn from this? Well, like I've said in the analysis, that maybe people don't look left enough as they're approaching roundabouts. They tend to just look at the cars to the right a little and maybe into the space that they're going. Now, there's no criticism of this biker whatsoever. It's probably only my further training and the risks that are involved with teaching learner drivers that makes driving instructors, or should make driving instructors, look way round to the left as you're approaching and going onto a roundabout. But maybe that's something we can all do better. Keep safe out there, people. I'll see you all soon.